What's going on, guys? Britta here, back with more free code camps. Learn CSS variables by building a city skyline. We're on step 39. So it says to create a new variable in the root called the window color. So dash dash window color 1. Give it a value of black. While I'm on all caps, value of black. This will be a secondary color for the purple buildings. Okay. Gradients in CSS are a way to transition between colors across the distance of an element. They are applied to the background property, and the syntax looks like this. In the example, color 1 is solid at the top, color 2 is solid at the bottom, and in between it transitions evenly from one to the next. In BB1A, add a background property below the background color property. So we're going to add a background property. And we're going to set it as a type of linear gradient. Linear gradient that uses building color 1 as the first color. And I don't know if I'm doing this right. Oh, wait. Linear gradient and then dupe. Then we're going to do building color 1, comma, window color 1. And then semicolon after that. I don't know if that's right. A background to BB1A. So there's background color, and there's the background property, linear gradient. I don't understand what's happening. Alright, let's see. Linear gradient. Huh. They're applied to the background property, background, and I did this and that did not work. So what's going on here? So let's see, if we just take this off, you should apply a background to BB1A right after the background color. And we have that. So let's just try to do this. I'm going to see how to add linear gradient to background property. So this says to do background image, which doesn't tell us to do that. But let's see if that works. Background image, linear gradient, building color 1, window, color 1. And nothing's changing, so I'm going to assume that's not right. How else can we do it? Everywhere else just says linear grade. Oh, wait a second. Nope. Maybe I don't need those dashes. It says background color. Oh, maybe I'll take this off. I don't think that's right. BB1A, background. Right after the background color. That is a background. Help. Let's check the forum. Okay. So it looks like we have to use var. So linear gradient var building colored 1 var window color 1, and there we go. That changed it. Okay. Alright. So we didn't actually select the variable, so we used the names, but we didn't do the variable, so that one stumped me a bit. Let's go on to the next one. Okay, you want to add the same gradient to the next two sections. Instead of doing that, create a new class selector called BB1 window. So I guess we'll do BB1 window. Set the height to 10%, width to 70%. Is that right? Same gradient to the next two sections. Instead of doing that, create a new class selector called BB1 window and move the height and background, so not the width, the height and background properties from BB1A. Okay, so I could have just done this. Copy and paste. Height. What did I do wrong here? You should move. Okay, so I think I have to just take this out. Nope, BP1A. Copy, paste. Alright, so that is correct. You should move the height property and value to BB1 window. The height property and value, it's there. Am I missing something? Maybe I shouldn't take this. It says height and background properties. Height, 10%. Let me type it again. Height, 10%. I mean, should it be at the bottom? Height, 10%. Reset. Let's see this. Let's do it under here. Dot BB1 window. Height 10%. I feel like I am crazy right now because why is this not working? Let's go back to the help. Oh no. Help. So we should see BB1 window somewhere. So this says you should move it and it should no longer be in BB1A, but then when I moved it, oh, okay, let's see here. Alright, BB1 window, don't move the background color. Still not right. Oh, take that out. And take this out. Not the color. Got it, okay. It's in the details, folks. Alright. Add the new BB1 window class, so BB1A, BB1B, and BB1C elements. This will apply the gradient to them. Add the BB1 window class. How do I add a second class? BB1. I know I messed up on this one before too. Okay, so you should add the BB1 window class to the BB1A element. Okay, so this tells me to do it exactly like I have it, and I don't, obviously it's not right. BB1A class BB1 just separate, oh, by a space. Okay, so okay, so let me copy this and add that. And alright, so it says just those three, not D. Okay, there we go. Alright, you don't need the height or background color properties in BB1A, B, or C anymore. So we don't need the height. Height. Background color. Okay. Submit. Okay. Gradients can use... Okay. We're on step 44, and I'm already at 17 minutes, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and end this episode here. But on the next one, we're going to go ahead and continue on with step 44. I do want to thank you guys for hanging out, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.